This is the Addtam extension cord, absolutely perfect for projects, things like Christmas lights, moving things, decorating, all those little tasks where you just need an extension cable to keep you going. This is my second Addtam extension. I've also got the long brick one as well, which I've previously reviewed. I really like the fact that the cord is really, really robust. I feel very secure with this. This one's got the two plugs, then it's also got the USB, and then also a USB-C, which is also handy because they are creeping in. And just generally, yeah, it's a really good little solid little unit. I really respect this brand as well. I'm going to continue buying this brand. It's a really good one. So yeah, overall, I think it's a really good little product. Always handy. It's one of those things, you have it, you keep it in a cupboard, and you're going to be pulling it out on a regular basis to just, oh, I've just got an extension cable. Definitely. I've got it. I've got it's covered because you've got one already and waiting to go. Nice and tidy, nothing bulky, does what it's supposed to do. Really, really chuffed. So yeah, overall, a fab little design, good little brand, feeling very, very solid, nicely made. So yeah, thumbs up from me.